Hello fashionistas, and welcome back to my second YouTube video. So in today's video I want to share with you some tips on how you can develop your own personal style and why a signature look is so important. I think that in today's day and age, fast fashion is all around us and there are daily trends all over our social media. It's so easy to get lost and absorbed into the trend of it all. So I think it's really important to stay true to you and be authentic to your style, because at the end of the day, it needs to match your personality and it needs to be effortless. Let's get into it. So guys, if you follow me on my social media pages like my Instagram for instance, you'll know how much I stress about the importance of decluttering your wardrobe. I think to develop any new venture in your life, you need to let go of the old. So I will link the videos below on the decluttering process. Before you start anything, please complete that first step. It will change not only your wardrobe, but your life. So my second step to developing a signature look would be to finding out your body type. This process is so underrated and honestly is a game changer. So if you know your body type, you'll be able to assess what looks good on you and what doesn't, and this also makes your whole shopping experience so much easier. So developing a signature look goes hand in hand with color as well. Doing a color analysis can equip you with building a good color palette for your wardrobe. That way when the seasons change, you'll know that your go-to color palette, for instance, is, let's say, autumn winter, so you would buy into more rust tones, more nudes, and that in fact will build a complete template for your wardrobe. For an example, my go-to item in my closet is definitely a white t-shirt. So when I did my decluttering process, I noticed that I had stacks and stacks of white t-shirts, so this is a signature look for me. That doesn't necessarily mean that I've strayed away from trends. So as trends pass season on season, there are small details in statement pieces like plain white tee. So for instance, what I'm wearing now is a shoulder pad update to my signature white. So for my fourth tip, I want to let you think about which items you are most drawn to. So for instance, when you go shopping, what's the first thing that usually catches your eye? Also, look in your wardrobe now. What are the pieces that you have most of? Those silhouettes will incorporate or make up your signature look. So my next tip is to look at your lifestyle. Are you in office attire often? So do you need or go for workwear because you are based in an office? Is your attire more leisure? Do you work from home? Do you need more dressier items? Is your go-to or most frequent activities in the evenings? Do you have to participate in many events? So guys, no one likes to be uncomfortable. My sixth tip is to look for comfort in what you're wearing. What do you feel most comfortable in? Next, what is your favorite thing to wear? When you planning a look, what is your go-to items that you're always obsessing over? Next, I want you to look at what you have most of in your wardrobe. Chances are you're already on your way to developing a signature look. My next tip is compliments. Which of your outfits do people compliment you the most on? My last tip is to invest in your statement pieces. So if I know that the white t-shirt is my building block, my basic core item, I'll try and buy into the best quality I can. It's okay to have several uniforms tailored to your lifestyle. You can have one for work, one for going out with friends, for more elegant events, or for different seasons. My signature look is a plain white tee and denims. I like to pair this with gold accessories as this matches best with my undertone, and elevate my look with a belt. My go-to footwear for this look would probably be a flat sandal or a sneaker. So for a winter look, I would add a good winter coat with this look. Sometimes on cooler days, I would add a pullover underneath with a grunge boot. So if I'm running to the stores, I'd add on a pullover, accessorize with a cap and sneakers. My go-to look for a business meeting would probably be a suit jacket over my white tee. I'd pair this with a heel and my black trousers. On warmer days, for a dressier weekend look, I'd probably go for an oversized dress with flat sandals. I love a good dress in the summer. So when developing a signature look, it doesn't have to be bland or boring or even restrictive. You can always play around with fabrics or jewelry or statement pieces. Uniform style is not only about the clothing. You could also use signature looks in terms of makeup. So we all know how Amy Winehouse dropped her winged eyeliner, or Anna Wintour with her little bob, or Dita Von Teese with her signature red lip. The most important thing about a signature look is to wear it with confidence. So for me, I think having a uniform look is the epitome of style. It means that the person is totally confident with his or her style. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, if you are looking into developing your own signature look, please contact me at kirsty@closetcollective.co.za. Alternatively, comment style below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe.